So I'm doing this review because when I go online and I try to do reviews for, try to find certain products that may not be, as popular or whatever, um, you know, it's usually rock music, and I love rock music, I love country, I love all kinds of music, but nobody ever tests trap music out. Ain't nobody throwing no Zaytoven kicks up in there. Like, you really can't figure it out. Like, you don't know if this is the product that you need, for the hip hop artist or not. So basically, I had these M audios right here, AV 30's. Loved them. Lasted me quite a while. One day I was I noticed that the bass started getting a little bit like uncontrollable. Like, I don't know, it was like the bass was just overtaking everything, the vocals, anything that was coming through it. And so basically, I just kept rocking with them, whatever. And then one day I just went to turn them on and they didn't turn on anymore. As you can see, I have my Yamaha 5s up here, which is, industry standard, supposed to be like the professional thing to have. And I like them. They are extremely flat. The flattest speaker I've ever laid ears on, to be honest with you. They're extremely flat. Those are the Yamahas right there. But anyway, this is going to be kind of long, but I'm going to try to shorten it up. Basically, I went to Sam Ash, samash.com. First time I ever ordered from them, ever. And basically, first time, they have this thing going on right now where, first time member, $20 off. And I was actually chatting with a guy about if I was going to get the Mackie CR4s or these. And, he even blessed me with another coupon or whatever to get them even lower. So these retail, I think they're coming out at, they might come out like $200, but where I've been seeing everything is about $149, $150. And, yeah, I got these things for like $109. So, I'll put the link in there. And even at even with the 20 off, I mean, it's well worth it. samash.com. Things got here as quick as Amazon Prime. I'm talking about I ordered them Sunday. They were here Wednesday, basically 2-day shipping. Beautiful. So let's go ahead and get into them. Let's open it up. Basically, I love mixing in my bigger monitors or whatever. I also have a sub for these Yamahas. But the thing is, it's, with the triangle and getting your head in there, I'm always messing up my volumes. And if I'm not making my own beat, if I'm grabbing one off of YouTube or something, different producers have different sounds. They set stuff differently. So it's really tough to get a solid mix a lot of times. So what I like to do is I like to reference. I like to have those professional joints for the real, but I also like to, vary out. I like to go back and forth. I like to go down to the 3-inch, the 4-inch speaker, because it has more of a controlled, like, in-your-face, regular, like, stereo sound that somebody would get if they were just at their house. And so if I can make it sound good in those, and they sound good in the big boys, then, hey, I got a winner. That's how I look at it. So, yeah. Sam Ash has got some dope seal stuff official. Here. Everything's 100. Looks like they got some little foam pad things here. Not sure exactly what we'll be doing with those. We'll see here in a little bit. Magical to do it up. Thought it'd be something different. It's really clean, really sleek. 4-inch speaker. Oh, nice. So, in comparison to the size of that versus, let's say, this M audio here, just to show you guys, let me move this keyboard out the way. There they are side by side. Give you a good look. Good look here. So a little taller. When it comes to width, Now the length on the back is a little crazy. It does go out further. A couple inches. We'll see the width. Even though these are 4 inches, it's just a tad bit wider. Just a tad, just like a centimeter here. These are 3s up here. It's a 4-inch woofer. Alright. That was just to give y'all a good comparison. Halfway focus here, but you've got your aux hole. Mini. Smaller aux. Forget the quarter, I forget what they call it. Hell. RCAs. No low pass filters or anything like that. No LPs, HFs, or just whatever. It's really dope. Got your headphone jack right here. I'm excited. Let me go ahead and get these things open. That's what they're looking like. Alright. I know your guys are like, man, this is a long-ass review. But I'd rather have a long-ass review that's detailed and really gives you a chance to really look at these things than the half-ass ones I've been seeing. I'm trying to tell you, man. It's crazy. So it comes with stereo wire. That's to run from here to here to your active, to the passive, whatever. It comes with RCA joints, and yeah, run it to a phone or just what have you, and your power cord. All that's in the joint. Only thing I hate about this is on the Mackie you can turn it off right there, and that was the issue I think a lot with the M audios, is you had to reach on the back and turn it off. So, you know, and that is something I absolutely hate doing. With these, you know, they're not going to turn off from just the volume switch. So, now, let's see, I got some stuff. Let me see. Maybe I can pull up something. Let's see. Pull up something that I've already mixed on or played with. Oh yeah, I got a Sony Acid. I've been on it for years. I love Pro Tools and all, but I can't never get Pro Tools to act right. You know, if you don't got a Mac, it's difficult as hell. So anyway, I'm going to play some of this.
Now peep this light I'm trying to get you. Everybody know I got a lot. Everybody know I got a lot. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everybody know I got a lot. I hit it once, hit cause everybody know I got the light. Better shine. Shorty know the daddy got the light. Better shine. The streets know a youngin' got the light. Yeah. Pull up in this litty on side. Yeah, Livesosa, I've been thinking about the rules. Let's go easy on my wallet, Louis V.
Okay, so just from listening to it right there, it's fairly clear. You can feel the wind, bro. I'm talking about, you can feel that like it's like an air conditioner, bro. Like it's so much air coming out of these woofers down here in the little crevices they made. I mean, it's thumping. It's thumping hard. Definitely a different feel than when I was watching the Mackies online. Though, you know, Mackies are probably a little bit flatter. And that's a pretty heavy bass song. I'm going to pull up another one that's got some bass. We're going to check that out. Definitely a 4-inch is better than having that 3-inch. The 4 definitely can take a little bit more on the woofing part here. It's handling it. I don't know if, let me turn on my Yamahas here. I don't know if,
I had to get it. I had to get it. Flex. Double up, double up, double up. I had to get it. Double up. Double up. I had to switch it. Double up, double up, double up. I had to flip it. I had to switch it. Quarter my wrist. Double up, quarter my wrist. No vibrations. No dry whipping. Stay. Cause I'm that nigga. Yeah.
of course, you can see the Yamaha, you know, handles that a lot better, you know, as far as handling it.
Get it, flex. Double up, double up, double up. I had to get it, double up. Double up. I had to switch it. Double up, double up, double up, double up. I had to flip it, double up. I had to switch it, double up. Quarter my wrist, double up, double up, quarter my wrist, double up. No vibrations, double up. No dry whipping, double up. Stay, double up. Cause I'm that nigga.
I like them though. Switch. You're getting a bigger, way bigger, wider sound coming to the Yamas.
I had to get it. I had to get it. Flex. Double up, double up, double up. I had to get it. Double up. Double up. I had to switch it. Double up, double up, double up. I had to flip it. Double up. I had to switch it. Double up. Quarter my wrist. Double up. Double up. Quarter my wrist. Double up. No vibrations. Double up.
After running through the music, I think they're pretty good. I would have to go ahead and get my hands on the CR4s though. I would have to compare them. That's the only way to get a true comparison on these. Are they good enough? Yes. Do they sound good? Yes. You know, compared to the Yamahas, you know, there's no comparison. You can't compare them. But you know, hopefully this was a good review for you guys to hear some trap music, hear some bass coming out of these things, and make your own assessment. Sleek, sexy. How long do I think they'll last? I don't know. Like I said, man, that bass is kicking on them bastards. So I say a year, maybe 2 years, you know, depending on how hard I go on them, which is all that I got out of my M Audio anyway. So, you know, a pair for $150 if you go to Sam Ash, $130, free shipping. And it's your boy Livesosa, Forever Lit, Hollywood Nova. This is my review on the Pioneer DM40s. Have a blessed day.